between them 31 upon 50, 32 upon 50, 33 upon 50, and so on. Okay, till 39 upon 50. So this is the easiest way you can find out the rational numbers between the even numbers. So the new question is, all the square roots of positive integers, are they irrational only? So the answer is no. See, I have given you certain examples. Root 4, the answer is 2. Root 16, the answer is 4. Root 25, the answer is 5. But if we see root 5, root 3, root 2, root 11, root 13, so those are all irrational. So square root of all positive integers either may be rational or it may be irrational. Now our next question is to represent root 5 on a number line. We all know for plotting root 5, first we should know how 5 can be obtained. So 5 can be obtained as the sum of the square of two numbers. So which are those two numbers? Yes, they are 1 and 2. So 1 the whole square plus 2 the whole square. That means 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Right? So we can construct root 5 as the hypotenuse of a triangle having these two sides. Means we are going to construct a small triangle. This is just for an example. Having measurement, suppose height is equal to 1 and the length of the base is equal to 2. So according to Pythagoras theorem, OA square plus AB square is equal to OB square. So OB square will be root 5 the whole square. So this 5 can be further written as root 5 the whole square. Okay. So first we need to prepare such kind of right angle triangle. Let us see how to draw that triangle. So the very first step is construct line L containing x dash O x. I have already taken point OA, that means the length of OA is equal to 2 centimeter. It is more than 2 centimeter to make you big so that you can see. Now at point A, we need to draw a right angle. Now it is up to you how you are drawing right angle. You can draw with the help of protractor or even the pair of compass. So you people have learned how to draw 90 degree. First of all, two arcs on both the sides of point A. Now the bisector, perpendicular bisector of a line segment, and then we can draw a straight line passing through this point of intersection. So I have drawn point B. AB is equal to 1 centimeter, that is 1 unit. Now join OB. You can join with the help of a proper scale. Okay, and now taking O as a center and OB as a radius, as OB will be, according to our calculation, it will be root 5. Construct an arc, right? It should be little dark. So this arc will, so this point is B dash. So we can say the distance from O to B dash, this distance is equal to root 5. So we can write down the steps like this. Let x dash OX be a number line on which you represent point O, which represents 0. Take a point A on number line L such that OA is equal to 2 centimeter. Let AB be perpendicular to OA such that AB is equal to 1 unit. Join OB. Now in right angled triangle OAB, according to Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square, which is 2 square plus 1 square, which is 4 plus 1, which is 5. And so OB will be equal to root 5. What we can say is OB dash is equal to OB. So you can see in the figure, this is OB, which is equal to OB dash. Okay, and so B dash represents point root 5 from point O.